Tired of razor burns, stubborn ingrown hairs, and endless shaving routines? You're not alone. Today, we're revealing a transformation that's smooth, empowering, and shockingly satisfying. Let's talk Brazilian waxing. We all know the struggle, irritation, bumps, and those moments where razors just don't cut it, literally. That's where Brazilian waxing steps in, a bold, clean option that's become a staple for millions worldwide, confident, clean, carefree. Let's take a look at the typical before, nothing to be ashamed of, just natural growth. But for many, that growth becomes a barrier to comfort, confidence, and convenience. Common waxing areas: bikini line, full front, back strip, on-screen tip. The process is surprisingly quick. A trained professional applies warm wax, presses the strip, and with one swift pull, voila, smoothness begins. The first time may sting, but the results speak volumes. Always go to a licensed professional. Now for the after: silky smooth, no stubble, and that undeniable glow. The difference? Night and day, but it's more than just skin deep. Weeks of smoothness, zero maintenance. The biggest change: how you feel. Brazilian waxing doesn't just smooth the skin, it boosts self-esteem, encourages body positivity, and gives you back time. No more daily shaving, no more insecurity. Confidence starts within, but smooth skin helps. Ready for your own transformation? Book a licensed waxing pro near you and take that first smooth step. Your confidence journey starts today. Embrace the transformation. Feel confident. Enjoy the freedom. Subscribe to MTH Health for more real beauty journeys, tips, and wellness insights.